how should I put it, ma'am? Uh, yes, ma'am. The element of legal realism was very much central to the idea of Kafka, because while he was writing in 1940s, uh, there was an element of legal positivism gaining ground around all those countries that were struggling with colonialism. So so when as a writer based in India, or when as a research scholar based in India, when I try to situate Kafka, I realize that the text or the semantics of the text have become irrelevant because of the milieu that they are in, but the perspective still remains relevant. Because, ma'am, when I read Kafka politically, ma'am, uh, I think the element of human behavior that Robin West talked about in Kafka suddenly comes into my mind, because when Robin West tries to talk about how Kafka is actually conceiving a subject in literature, while talking about a subject which is purely courtroom based and requires a specialized knowledge of law, he is nonetheless trying to bring that element of specialized knowledge into public life, knowing fully that people might not understand the intricacies of law, but he's still trying to bring in that element of liberalism, or classic liberalism, of John Stuart Mill, who was also a legal scholar but a propounder of uh, various theories as well, ma'am. So the answer is wide. In fact, I'll have to read specifically, ma'am, because the question itself is very expansive. Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Diksha was. I mean, we last year we had a judgment based on exactly what Diksha was trying to place upon. In fact, the LGBTQIA movement has started gaining ground on the elements of Julia Kristeva's argument of performativity. In, Judith Butler's performativity, ma'am. Sorry. Yes, ma'am. In fact, there was a landmark judgment, Suprio, and Supriya, where the Supreme Court actually decided that the legislators should come up with something in order to decide the uh, personal rights of these individuals, because no matter what orientation they may come from, they still have rights under the family law, or under the constitution, or under the constitutional scheme for that matter, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.